Hello everyone. So if you want to burn fats, hydrate, detox your system while nourishing your system with nutrients, this is the best detox water juice recipe you can go for. It will actually hydrate your system while detoxing burning fats in your system, leaving in nutrients. Plus the fruits I used in making this fat burning detox water juice recipe are actually ingredients that will help to cleanse and glow your skin naturally from the inside while burning fats, detoxing and flushing out toxins, waste from your system. Like, this is so nourishing to cleanse, replenish and refresh your skin. Yeah, so after consuming your yummy fat burning detox juice water, you can go ahead and consume the fruits. This actually tastes so good, no bitter taste. The fat burning ingredients will help you burn fats, while the water will burn fats and equally hydrate your body for you to detox all those waste, toxins, fats, and get back in shape. Without wasting much of your time, I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this goodness yourself at home. Feel free to share the video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good in shape as well. So let's quickly get into it. So, in order to come up with a yummy detox fat burning juice water, the first ingredient I'll be using will be one cucumber. Cucumbers are very alkalizing and they are like 98% water based to hydrate and support your system to detox and flush out waste, toxins, bad fats. It will treat, heal your liver so your liver can be in good state to actually detox and flush out all the waste out of your system, form a disease fighting barrier in your system so you can stay healthy, because cucumbers have been researched to get rid of certain kinds of cancers, fight diseases and form a disease fighting barrier in your system. So hydrating, nourishing, will leave your skin so fresh and detox waste and toxins while helping you burn fats as well. So this is one cucumber. What I did is I peeled the cucumber and I'll be using just the actual fruit in. So you want to slice into some good sizes that you love. I love these sizes because it is kind of like a fruit salad, kind of like just so accessible that you can carry to work. If you have a busy schedule, you can actually just make this and carry to work. You don't need to stay at home eating. So you want to make in sizes that you can actually like get it out. Like, yeah, so this is it. You want to slice up, and this is the first ingredient I will be adding: cucumber. The second very powerful fat burning ingredient will be berries, strawberries. This helps to facilitate the breakdown and burning of fat in your system. Like, this is so good. It cleanses you. It is loaded with antioxidants to fight the effects of free radical damage, oxidative stress, causing your skin always dull, slowing your organs from performing fast to flush out waste. Like, this facilitates the breakdown of toxins, waste in your system, and actually like flush them out while nourishing your system with those good antioxidants you need for that clear, beautiful, fresh and radiant skin. Most importantly, preventing oxidative stress, which ages your skin, makes your skin look so dull and not fresh. So this will freshen you up, help you burn fat and have your body in shape. So nourishing. Yeah, so you want to get like 10 of these, 8 to 10 of strawberries, and you just kind of wash thoroughly and slice. So strawberries, you need to always really clean them. So after I slice, I always kind of like rinse again to really make sure they are clean, but I used vinegar and water to clean my ingredients with. The next thing I'll be adding, which is a very powerful fat burner, will be pineapple. So I'll be using half a pineapple. Pineapples are very good, most especially the middle of the pineapple. It contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps to break down hardened food store up, hard carbs in your system, hard proteins that have stored up, causing belly fat and weight gain. It equally helps to boost your metabolism so you can easily metabolize, break down food. Like, it boosts your metabolism so you can have that active metabolism. So usually I don't throw my pineapple peel. I store them up to make my cleansing fat burning drink. So if you've been watching my videos, you must have seen how I use my pineapple peels. Just check my channel out and you will see how you can use pineapple peel to come up with your cleansing and weight loss. So this is my half a pineapple. You just need to slice up into some good sizes. If you don't know how to slice up your stuff, this is how you can make it so have some beautiful shapes and sizes, looking so attractive. You feel so like it looks so appetizing, yeah. So this is how you do it, and slice into some good sizes with that middle of the pineapple, very important for fat burning. And this pineapple is so yummy as well. So this is it sliced up, and you want to just put it somewhere that you will come up with your fat burning recipe. Like, just watch this video till the end and see how I'll come up with the recipe. So I'll be adding one orange juice. Oranges are very good as well. They help to boost your immunity, so you can be strong enough to have that good system to break down and burn fat. Plus it helps to naturally give you that fresh glow from the inside, boost your metabolism as well, so you can easily break down, burn fat. If you are constipated, you want to fall in love with oranges, as they help to soften your stool, ease that constipation, so you can easily like pass out stool without it storing up, causing you have that constipated big belly. Like, this is so good, this is so relieving, very good for detoxing and helping you get rid of that bloated big belly. Plus it glows your skin as well. So this is my one orange in here. You just want to squeeze the juice out of one large orange, and voila, now it's time to set up your stuff in your bottle. So if you want to have a fast for one day to really detox your system, you can have the 2 bottles a day, or for 2 days you have one today, one the next day, depending on how you can stand the fast. So in the morning, you can just, after you have your tea in the morning, your fat burning tea, you can just carry a bottle of it to work. And in the evening, you come back and complete the other bottle. Share the next one in the jar with anybody, or if you are alone in the house, you can actually just enjoy this, have it and cleanse your system, nourish your system while burning fat and detoxing. Like, this is so nourishing, very healthy. Yeah, it's actually tastes so yummy as well, flushing out the waste toxin, fats from your system, while giving you that healthy glow to your skin. So this is how you put your ingredients in your jar. I'm sure you must have been watching and seeing what I do. And you add your orange juice at the end. So after you put your ingredients, each of the ingredients in each of the bottles, you add your orange juice. You can add in half a liter of water in each of them. So you just need half a liter of water per bottle. So this is like 1.5 liters of water you'll be consuming. So half a liter gets into each of these bottles, and this is it. You just want to now put your close up. If you are busy going to work, this is easy for you to just carry to work, like your detox meal for the day. Come back in the evening, you can have some, and that is it. You just have that day to flush out and burn fat, cleanse your system, nourish your system with nutrients, have that healthy clean skin from the inside, and glow naturally. This is so nourishing if you are looking to stay healthy and in shape. Get rid of all those sugary drinks you have at home and go for natural stuffs like this. Even if you don't want to burn fats, like, it is very important to burn fats, because bad fats in your system causes bad cholesterol, causes obesity, which leads to hypertension, diabetes, all those health complications you don't want to end up with. So besides burning fats to stay in shape, you need to burn the fats, flush it out of your system, so you can stay healthy as well, which is very important. Not just to lose weight and stay in shape without belly fat, but to have that clean system free of bad fats is very important for your health. Yeah, so you want to try this recipe for a day, cleanse your system, flush out the bad fats, come back and tell me how you feel about it, and trust me, you will love it. It actually tastes so good without any bitter taste. Share the video with your family and friends, so we can all stay healthy and in shape with good health, most importantly. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, what are you waiting for? Feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video, so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video.